Welcome back to Beautyistic. If you've ever struggled to find an easy way to clean your teeth and gums, especially if you wear braces or have implants, this review might just have the solution you've been searching for. Today, we're looking at the Waterpik Cordless Advanced Water Flosser, designed to make dental care easier, more effective, and travel-friendly. But does it live up to the hype? Stick around to find out. The Waterpik Cordless Advanced is a handheld, rechargeable water flosser that's perfect for anyone looking to take their oral hygiene routine to the next level. It's ADA approved, clinically proven, and even recommended by 9 out of 10 dental professionals. Pretty impressive credentials. What makes it stand out, though, is its portability, ease of use, and versatility. It features 3 pressure settings ranging from 45 to 75 psi, which is customizable based on your needs. Whether you're looking for a gentle clean or something more robust, this water flosser can accommodate. The device has a removable 7/0 reservoir, which is also dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. The 360-degree rotating tip helps you get into all the nooks and crannies of your mouth, especially around braces or dentures. When I tried it out, I loved how easy it was to use. It's lightweight and comfortable to hold, with a quiet operation that won't disrupt your routine. The magnetic USB charger made recharging a breeze. And with a full charge, the flosser runs for about 45 seconds per session. Plenty of time to get a thorough clean. Now, let's talk about some of the standout features. The travel-friendly design is a huge plus for anyone who's always on the go. This model is globally compatible, meaning it works anywhere in the world. Plus, it includes a microfiber travel bag and a storage case for the tips, which makes it perfect for packing and keeping everything organized. However, it's not without a few minor cons. The water reservoir is on the smaller side, so it requires a refill during longer flossing sessions. Additionally, the device only comes with 4 tips, so if you need more, you'll have to buy them separately. Is the Waterpik Cordless Advanced Water Flosser worth the investment? I think so, especially if you're someone who prioritizes portability and convenience. It's great for those with implants, braces, or anyone looking for an effective and easy way to maintain healthy gums and teeth. Plus, with the added bonus of being ADA approved, you're getting a product backed by experts in the dental field. If you're comparing it to other similar models, you'll find that while it's a bit pricier, the features it offers, like the multiple pressure settings, quiet operation, and global voltage compatibility, justify the cost. There are cheaper models out there, but they often lack the advanced features that this one brings to the table. For the price, you're getting solid value in terms of effectiveness, ease of use, and portability. It's ideal for anyone who needs a water flosser, but also wants something compact and travel-ready. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get it, the link is in the comments. As for customer support, Waterpik has a solid reputation for being responsive to inquiries, and I've had no issues when I needed help with a previous model. So you're in good hands if you need assistance. I don't have any updates for this specific model, but if anything changes, I'll be sure to update you in the future. If you're looking for something at a lower price point, there are plenty of alternatives out there, though they may lack the advanced features of the Waterpik. But if you're someone who values ease of use and portability, this is definitely a top pick. To sum it up, the Waterpik Cordless Advanced Water Flosser checks all the boxes for an effective, easy-to-use, and portable dental tool. If you're someone who wears braces, has implants, or just wants a simple and thorough way to floss, I'd say this is a great investment. Thank you so much for watching. If you've used this product, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. And remember, until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.